Derek Kraus raced full-time in the NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series in 2022. His 2022 stats are 0 wins, 0 top 5s, 7 top 10s, an average finish of 15.2, and an 11th place points finish. This is disappointing. For the 2023 season, it was announced that he was replaced by Christian Eckes. Eckes drove full-time for ThorSport Racing in the 2022 NASCAR Craftsman Truck Series. Ever wonder where the famous Petty blue color came from? Well, early in Richard Petty's career, his dad Lee Petty, who was also a NASCAR race car driver, didn't want to have to go out and buy a certain color of paint. So what he did was he mixed blue paint and white paint that they had. This created the iconic Petty blue that is so recognizable. I saw on social media recently that Casey Kane, the former Cup Series driver, had another child. Congratulations. This is an optic card of Kyle Busch. I think optic cards are nice. The parallels are nice as well. I think it would be really cool if I could get a complete set of the Carolina Blue Wave optic cards. That would be so cool. A little while back, Chase Elliott's 2023 Napa Auto Parts paint scheme was released. Here's the car. I like how there's more blue and not white down the sides. Personally, I like the scheme. Tell me what you think about it in the comment section. Sometime this week, people that are part of RFK Racing, past and present, had a night of poker. Some people there include Ryan Newman, Ricky Stenhouse Jr., and team owner Jack Roush. Ryan Newman ended up winning. Congratulations, I guess. A new paint scheme was revealed for Kyle Busch. NetSpend is his sponsor. This is the first new sponsor for Kyle Busch that was not part of Richard Childress Racing in 2022. I like this paint scheme. Michael Annette's only win in NASCAR was the season opener at Daytona in the NASCAR Xfinity Series in 2019. He started third in the race. He would take the lead from Brandon Brown and lead the last 45 laps to win his first NASCAR race. The last portion of the race was pretty lackluster, not a lot of action, and there was train racing, so that made for a pretty boring end to the race. Thanks for watching. Let me know what your favorite part of the video was.